What's up, guys? Welcome back. Mira in her civilian comfy teddy bear clothing. I thought this was hilarious. So, full disclosure, I married a Mira personality. So, my wife is Mira, basically. Same type of character. She got mad when I told her this, but it's true. So, and this is like her as well when she's like relaxing. So I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Start with the right, go diagonal, and then they kind of go up. Her head is kind of like tilted a bit. And you could put eyelashes in here, like actually draw them in if you want, but it's probably easier to just do like a sharp spike at the end and keep your line just a bit thicker. So then eye goes down this way, dark sort of in the top corner there. And then we go back down towards her tear duct. Brown eyes, sort of a half circle there, and then big pupil, black half circle here. Do. So big frowning eyebrows, like very long and arched. And then a bit of a frown here at the front. So her other eye, just over here, it's about the white of her eye, distance between, you know, this, not the eyelash, but the white part, that you can just about fit that in between. Okay, just if you're wondering. So then we go up, and then spiky eyelash at the end again. Just darken this up a bit. And then going down that way. Across to the tear duct. And then half circle. And then half circle pupil. Like so. And then big eyebrow. Sort of a large sort of check mark going this way. This appears behind her hair, but, well, I think it does anyways, but we'll go down a bit and up. And then we'll just bring it forward to the front there. So her nose, so we can just kind of see the bridge of her nose a bit. She kind of has a bumpy one that way. And then we can just see nostrils sort of underneath it, so like there and there. And then we join these together. And then the skin of the nose just at the sides. Right, and then she's smiling, so mouth just sort of curved up on the sides. And then her lips. So we go up, down in the middle a bit. They don't have big V's sort of here. They're kind of a little bit flat. And then her bottom lip. Just goes up to there. And her chin, she's fairly long chin. Round, and then a very sort of round face going up. So it's gradually sort of curves up to her eye, right? So, and her hair comes down, but we'll start sort of here. We'll just get her sort of cheek there, right? And it curves down towards that chin. And more or less the same on this side. And she has big long spikes of hair that come down, right? So from up top of her forehead, so say like about the size of her nose will bring you up maybe roughly. So we've got like two little sort of different direction sort of things here. Right, part in her hair, just go on either side of that. And then she has very long like this, right? And same on this side. It's just sort of hugging her face. Okay, and the top of these, so kind of like comes around here and comes down to a spike. It just meets down there somewhere. Same on this side. Right, and like some textures on it. Right, we can see her ear just sort of sticking out here. See a little bit less of it on this side, like barely any really. And then her hair is tied up, so it kind of bumps around here, right? It's tied up in two bows either side. So there's like a bow there and a bow on this side as well. Okay, so each of these bows, so this kind of shape. Like so. And there's another one over this side. I'll just finish this sort of hair texture in there. Then we have the big long strands of hair that come down her back. It's our neck. Going this way, that way. And then she has the collar. And we'll put a neck muscle or two just here. Right, so then this starts to get kind of fuzzy, then textured, sort of very soft. Jumper, sweater, comfy sort of thing. You could do it smooth if you wanted, but it is kind of like very fine sort of fluffy sort of jumper. Right, so then she has long hair strands all coming down here as well. So her arms kind of just fold over, right? So we've got like forearm going this way. And her sleeve kind of disappears then into the armpit of her other side of her jumper here. Right, so then that teddy bear, so that's sort of fluffy, sort of ears. Right, and the head, so it's kind of like fluffy just coming across here. Well, there's a bow. There's a bow in the bear's head as well. So the bow is kind of here somewhere. But we got the inner ear on the bear, and then a bow. And then we can just see these unimpressed bear eyes. And then triangle sort of nose just going down here. And then the sort of snout is kind of like drawn sort of like that. And then just some textures on the top itself. And then I'll just color the eyes black. So there we go, Mira in her comfy civilian clothing. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.